Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Bear with me, I'm filming this on the A7 II. It's a little hard to see what I'm doing. I hope I'm in focus. I'm not sure if I am. Of course my phone's gonna ring as soon as I start this, but bear with me. Hello. Alright, so let's try that again. Welcome to tonight's vlog. The reason I'm vlogging tonight on the A7 II, I don't have the vlog camera with, but I wanted to do a quick little merch plug. A couple of you have been asking us if we were going to do any shirts. There's been a real high demand for shirts and hats. Those are the two things I've been asked about the most. Well, I'm still working on the hat situation, but good news, we do have some shirts finally. So I want to go ahead and show you guys. We did a little something different. This isn't our normal logo, obviously, but it is the same text as our logo. So we got that on the front. It's going to be a little bigger. Now, keep in mind, this was a test shirt, so not exactly what the end product is going to look like. It's going to be a little bit bigger and a little bit wider. But that's the front. So let me go ahead and show you the back. Once again, it's going to be a little bigger on the final product, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what we got. Now, this is Colin's idea. Exhaust goes in, freedom comes out. If you like them, let us know. We're going to have some of them at Motorama with us, and they will also be for sale on the website. Oh, by the way, we're going to have a website in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for that. Just wanted to give a quick little shout out about the shirts. If you like what you see, you want to order one, stay tuned. I'll have some details up in a couple of days. Or, like I said, come see us at Motorama on the 17th and the 18th of February at the Harrisburg Farm Show Complex Center. And we'll be there with, unfortunately the cool car won't be there, but we'll have two of the Yodis. So, you know, you can go and look at them if you're into that sort of thing. But, yeah, so that's it for this, guys, and we'll see you soon. All right, guys, well, I was getting in the vlog there, but I figured since I'm sitting here kind of waiting and chilling, I'm waiting on some clients to get here to go scout out a location, so I figured I'd give you guys a little update. So, pretty much all the work under the hood is done, less installing a catch can. So I'm the problem I'm having right now is, I don't know if you're familiar with these cars or not, but, oh, my clients are here. I'll update it later. Alright guys, so Cody forgot to vlog all morning, but we're here at the first location. We're flying our drones around right now, and as you can see, there's no cars because Jason is late. So apparently they're cleaning wheels right now. I told them it didn't really matter, and they didn't listen to me.
You ever had that happen? It disconnected and went connect.
So, but we got a lot of drones, so that's fun. So we've just been droning around. There's this really cool monument. I'll throw some footage of that in there. Maybe we'll shoot some cars today. If not, we're just gonna play with drones. So that's fun too. We just out here doing donuts in the drones, you know. What? We getting hype. I think Hall's ass.
At least it's got blade guards.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so close. Yeah, it was. To the ground. That was intense. I was a little nervous for that one. It was like going camping and fucking. It was intense.
Ha!
Apparently Andy just got a text saying Jason and them are coming. We've been sitting here for quite a while. But he's getting ready. Hopefully it'll look sick. We now have a Lexus in the way though. So that sucks. Still get hungry.
Always.
He's hungry. And we got Chris. He already flies drone. We're still waiting.
Dude, just fly that thing into his windshield.
You won't do it.
Son of a bitch!
Hey, look who finally showed up to the party. That's good. It does look dope though, not gonna lie. They'd be riding low. Bang, 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 bang. I'm glad to see you finally made it to your own feature.
Hey, it's not my fault. It's actually her feature.
Oh, her. Huh?
So bad.
It is, yeah. Maybe you should fix it. Comes to a feature with a fucking filthy car. God. Those rims, though.
Look at Cody with, yeah, air out. Look at Cody working. No, I mean, yeah, you won't notice. Let Cody get it right now, though. Shut your door and let Cody get it. Look at Cody working. Oh, Cody doing stuff. Why'd he start it? That don't make no sense. Whatever. Ooh, we droning. We droning. Look at Cody. He's doing stuff. By the way, guys, this is Ariel. This is her car. It's her sweet Beamer. Yeah. She's from Pennsylvania. They're weird.
Oh my god, that's so neat.
Yeah, well, it's true. What you got there, Cody? You actually working?
Yeah.
Oh,
Someone showed up for work today. And wasn't the last one.
This is Jason. He owns the Audi.
Yeah.
So, you know, he's one of those Audi people.
Hey, little titties.
Litty titties. Cody learning how. Cody, you learning how the Ronin works for the first time there? All right, guys, we're wrapping up here at the first location. We're doing a few more stills of Ariel's car, and that should be about it for this one. We're gonna move to another location. We're gonna film some of them rolling through town, so I'll throw some of that footage in here. And then after that, we're gonna go back to my house, and then we're gonna go out on the highway and film some rollers. All right, guys, so we had to revise the plan a little bit. We're going to get some food right now, and then we're gonna go film some rollers. And I don't know where we're gonna end it yet, but we're gonna pick another location. So bear with us. All right, we're gonna check out this Green Pineapple Korean Fusion Cafe and Ramen Bar. Hey, they found us.
I think the mango oats were the
Okay, well, that was lunch, and now we're gonna head and get a couple more shots of the cars here in town. We're gonna rig one of them up for audio, and then we are headed to 9 to film some rollers. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to film my dick off, or wait, freeze my dick off.
Wait.
All right, guys, I'm getting ready to freeze my dick off, and so try to film some rollers. And Cody's driving. We're going to location B.
Big ball in the fucking top of the tree.
What do we got?
Big bee's nest up there.
Oh. Huh.
How you feeling now, Mr. Krabs?
How you feeling now, Mr. Krabs? This way. Ah, you fucker.
fucked it. They fucked it. Try to look cool. You good? From Stooky Media here. Stook's getting some dope ass. Oh, I'm in his light. And we got Chris from Twisted Addiction. He's helped us all day. Then we got this piece of shit here. Yeah.
How you doing? How you doing?
Whoa. There's Ariel. She's the star of the show. There's Jason. He's the other star of the show. Ooh, look at Jason go. Guys, like I said, that's it for tonight's vlog. It's been fun. It's been real. It's been a long day. So we're gonna go play with race cars now, and Cody's gonna get gapped by a Camaro. And if that happens, I'll put it in here. So this might not be the end of the vlog. Oh, I don't.
Stand behind those cars.
Okay, see.
Taillights, boy.
Y'all think it's funny.
See, we all know that that's not really going to happen. These two cars that we filmed all day are not going to beat that Coyote.
Mine already has.
You forget who our fan. Oh, that's right. Roll the footage. This is where we finish the feature up. So right now, Stook's getting some pretty dope stills. We're just kind of hanging out. We're pretty much done for the night. Cody's over there being a real piece of shit. Look at him. What the fuck are you doing? Oh. Anyway, that's going to be all for tonight. So this is on my iPhone, so if it looks different, I don't care. I'm tired. What'd you say?
You a bitch.
You a bitch. Anyway, that's a wrap.